My old camcorder.
Fucking hungry. I haven't had lunch yet, and it's 2:27. I haven't eaten all day. Oh, do you not eat breakfast?
No, I don't eat breakfast.
This is like a really bad movie.
Breakfast? See? Her holding a baby.
Oh yeah, let's make it creepy.
Show us your baby.
Show us your baby.
Show it.
Goodbye, baby. And okay, that's creepy. It's actually really creepy. Is he like dying in there? No, we know it's.
But the important question is who's behind the camera?
It is Eli! And I'm starving. I'm about to kill this whole flock of people just to fill up my belly. I haven't had breakfast, lunch, and I'm kind of cranky. Break.
Lemonsies? Breakfast? Afternoon tea? Dinner?
Nothing.
Supper? Nothing?
So we're going to an all-you-can-eat buffet. Korean barbecue. Del Checo. Checo?
Whatever.
He's not coming, so. Alright, so we try it out. Party on.
This one here? Extra snobby? I can tell you're hangry.
You're pointing at her.
No, I'm pointing at you on the camera.
Okay.
You there. You're hangry.
I'm exercising my sauce right now so that I can develop skills in that.
Okay, well, it'll be useful when you become a teacher.
Yeah, definitely.
Exactly.
Or at my job when I have to.
You're doing a good job.
What are you guys filming?
That's all jealous.
You guys are great. Here you go, Eli.
Thank you, love. What's going on with you?
I'm setting up my camera.
Still just jealous.
I'm not used to this.
Yeah. Hey, let's go theater. Let's go theater. Excuse me?
Your excuse, nice ass.
Don't do that. Wow.
I no longer focus on your butt. Jeff! Say something funny.
Hey. Yes, that's what I wanted to say. We like read each other's minds.
They're that close.
What?
So this is what they do in theater class.
Yeah.
I'm exposing Vanier. Look at this classroom.
First time being in a theater class.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
There's Mr. Cutie Pie. Aww, I love you.
Oh, someone.
It's not a picture.
Hi.
Hey. So it's been like over 3 minutes. You're still trying to fix this.
It's like, I don't want.
Vlogging. Hey, gorgeous. Woo, look at that sexy
I
face.
saw a video this morning. I think people were pointing cameras at people, and they were saying, okay, so I'm doing this project where I photograph things that I find beautiful, and then you see the person's reaction, and they're just like, they either smile or like super shy, they look down. It's awesome. Like it's
Now cry.
It's so cute. We should do that live. You're like taking off guard here.
Yeah.
Like,
Follow her. She has a YouTube account.
Why are you
Vanessa
filming
Lily
this?
Wan. It's for YouTube.
Are you kidding?
yeah,
Is it really for YouTube?
My babe! And on Twitter, do not rank him off me when I'm explaining who I am. Okay? What's that? Excuse me! Excuse me, that's my line. Yeah, my line.
Putting this on YouTube, I'm gonna look like a fucking freak.
No, because you'll be next to me. Yes, so today, as it is the end of the semester, we're going to celebrate by going out for Korean barbecue. So,
How much longer?
The way you said it.
How much longer?
How much longer? We have to wait for somebody. She's taking it. Because I'm about to kill everyone in here. I'm starving.
the whole purpose of heavy body.
Just side note, she didn't eat for the whole day.
Middle body, like what? Like
That's stupid.
I
had a bit of food,
hungry.
but I think I cheated and I might be full later. So.
I'm really tired.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, but that would be
Where is he?
C'est pas Neri.
Oh, look at that. Romance. Romance. That's so cute.
Spreading the love and disease.
No.
You're the disease.
Okay, guys, please.
Wow, that's so handsome. Yeah, that's how you're handsome.
You'll never survive the acting
And
career.
oh, hey, you're handsome.
If it's an interview, ask him like, so Vincent, how does it feel to have completed portfolio?
Ooh, yes, Vincent, how does it feel?
It's like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders.
Yeah?
Like, honestly. And I have so much free time now, I don't even know what to do with it.
I realized that.
That's before the weight of putting your portfolio together for university.
True.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, there.
I still have one more semester.
Henri just broke my spirits. That man just crushed all my hopes. There will never be royals. Oh, yes, yes. No, Neri, come back. Neri! Wait, got it. Wait.
This is the coverage you need.
Former portfolio students.
Lower the head.
Look at the bottom.
Oh! They didn't make it.
Shit, there's more in the shelf over there.
Danny has now been exposed.
Let's go sneak a peek at the theater class.
I already did.
Let's still go because I didn't.
Going back to the crazy ass class where they were kicking around shit.
They were what?
They were kicking around some stuff.
Oh, normal. Yeah.
Exactly. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty.
Did Roger even notice that? Not there.
No, he was standing in the corner. Don't sneak, he's right there.
I hope you're gonna edit this out.
Of course I am.
That doesn't. No, you didn't mean that.
I'll totally edit all this out.
And let's discuss this. So, what we're gonna be doing today, like I explained before, is that we're gonna be going for Korean barbecue. Except that now we are waiting for another friend who is doing her exam at the moment, and we don't know when she's gonna be finished, or if she's gonna come join us here, or if we have to go join her over there. And she doesn't have a SIM card. That's the problem.
Yes, love. Oh, it's at Water next to Dawson College. You just go upstairs from it. It's right there. So Checo, it's
Water,
really good.
Dawson College.
All you can eat. Yeah.
May I point out that it's my first time having Korean barbecue.
Woo!
So this experience might be a lot more like
Interesting.
Yeah.
Wait, Marissa, is it your first time Korean barbecue?
Yes. I am not the only one.
She's a Korean barbecue virgin. Bye, I love you, Mason.
I love you too.
So you'll sing for us next time?
Next time.
There is no next time.
Yeah, next semester.
It's for like, no, I'm not here. So it's like,
What?
right-
For real? Shit, it's the real fucking vibe.
yeah, it's the real.
Oh my gosh. Wait.
Let's film this touching moment.
Yeah, that was heartbreaking. That 2 seconds. Marissa, don't forget your phone.
By there?
Hey, look at the gorgeous man who just walked in. Fine, don't look
Yelled
at
at
me.
me once.
Why?
Because he got pissed at me for like not opening the door for him. So
Really?
yeah.
Him? Upset? Ever angry? No. He's
I don't think he remembers me.
Okay. It's beginning to look a lot like
Summer.
there's no fucking snow anywhere.
You tell me this is fall.
Everywhere we go. Damn.
My swag walk.
Damn. Yeah, do it.
But you have to be on the other side though, because I can't do a swag walk and then walk the other way around.
I swear.
It's
You
not
filmed it
how
before?
works, unfortunately. So you're gonna have to go in front of me if you wanna have that shot.
Fine. I ran for that.
Yes, okay?
Ew, no.
Ew,
What a jerk.
I don't know what I'm
What?
On white silver, what do you call it?
multicolored.
We're so excited for this Korean barbecue, aren't we?
Oh yeah, get to finally eat. We're an hour late.
I get to burn the curries. Hasn't eaten for the whole day.
Barbecue. Wow, look at Ellie's face.
You would donate for that face, would you?
Look at that bag. I don't think she felt it. Good thing it's not a stranger because I'd be arrested right now.
Yeah.
Because in 2015, every joke I make is somehow offensive.
No, not just your jokes, everybody's jokes. Basically, you just can't say anything without offending anybody in 2015.
Vagina.
I'm offended. I think that what you're saying is too sexually explicit, and I think that you should. Caitlyn Jenner. This is us getting hit by a car. Oh my god! Oh my god! I touched your focus.
Oh wait, are we letting you get drunk today?
I don't know.
Are we even we're getting alcohol?
I'm getting alcohol.
I need alcohol.
It's the end of the semester. Of
course we need
Are we not
the end
playing
of
a
the
drinking game?
semester.
No, we're not playing a drinking game in the Korean restaurant. What the hell?
Aren't you my mother?
No, I'm not.
You're old enough.
You'd be a lot cuter if I was your mother.
Oh,
I feel more corrupted. That would be the more word.
That must be your father.
Wait, who's my father then?
Dan.
Henri.
Sorry. Whoa! Well, there they are. We've been missing these two this whole time.
The black, the white, the health.
Wendy! What? Wendy! Shake it. Shake it. That's right. Oh my god.
that in my videos. Like, that's so unfair.
Come on, Wendy, make some money.
I thought we
Stop
were
it.
best friends, man.
Wendy, come on, dance like you're making money.
So we faced a certain problem.
If
though,
you want
because
this 25 cents, you
to
better.
call the restaurant, and turns out nobody's picking up their phone.
Yeah, so we're just gonna wing it.
We're just gonna wing it and expect them to accept us into the restaurant. And if we don't make it into the restaurant,
Only we have
I
one
guess
Korean
we'll just have to go somewhere else.
They have a
Looks like we're gonna get to the Korean barbecue place
out on
a lot later. Baby, it's cold outside.
No, they just like running away.
I'm starving.
We have to go down like 2 floors. No,
Like 20 minutes to Leonetco and then like 5 minutes to Ivanopia.
so like still the man. Woo! If you follow the camera.
I laugh. There we go.
Whoopsie.
I hurt myself.
You hurt yourself.
She fell down on the chair.
I love Amanda.
Right? Look at it. It's my store. Omel Dessert is life. Hey guys. Okay, it's not a picture.
I know that I'm singing.
Christmas lights! That's so cute.
Do you remember the episode 2000?
The stars are brightly shining. The night
Probably go up.
of our dear Savior's birth.
Her dad is famous.
Who?
Vanessa.
What are you guys doing? What the hell are you guys doing? I know. You guys are ruining it for me.
Draws the measurements of the. They're going.
Let's go. Shit. Skip to my Please try to stay alive, Marissa. Look how decorated the Starbucks here is.
You go there.
Cutie.
Oh my gosh, guys, that thing actually works.
It's actually doing something.
Just drop it right here.
Final destination. Marissa's running for a puppy. She's gonna steal it.
You know, downtown people are not as friendly as she may get whacked.
All right, children. How hungry are you?
I'm famished. I can't eat you.
Deep breaths.
Deep breaths. We'll do it. We can do it. So welcome to Montreal.
Dare you?
It's in the other alley.
So this is on our table.
I'm really scared of fire and
Okay, stay far away from it because I'm cooking duty.
okay, but I'm honestly terrified, so
Okay, it doesn't burn something like
okay, that's what I'm
There's
saying.
no like fire.
Because like at home when we do fondue, like I cry.
Wow. Confessions going on here. How's your table?
Great. We just
Yeah?
ordered and we're sticking with water.
Us too.
We need to stick with water.
This is actually vodka.
It's you. It's never gonna be normal.
Exactly.
Oh my god, it's hot.
It's hard to do a pretty face.
When it's you, it's hard mode.
Are y'all feeling festive next to the tinsel on the wall?
Yeah! Festivity! Woo! Do you feel festive across the thingy?
The snowflake.
Sure.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ooh, miso soup.
That's up for debate.
You don't know what's going on yet.
But I'm not sure what I'm doing.
That's love.
Okay, when there's a red dot, does it mean it's filming?
Did you focus it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I know my way around the camera. This is really cool. This is called Korean barbecue. I'm white.
Best explanation.
I tried to focus on the vegetables, but now it's out of focus. But anything to say, girls?
I'm hungry.
You've already had like 5 plates. Joking. No.
We're Asian.
Good job.
Wait,
Good
when did I
job.
get 5 plates? Because I did not realize.
I know I did. Hello.
Hi.
How's this experience going for you?
Great.
Great? You're not eating your ass around, I noticed. What's wrong? Yeah, but people could get offended by the fact that you're not eating their
Not
food.
only offended, you have to pay for everything you don't eat.
You do? It's a thing?
It's like when you go to a sushi place and you don't finish a sushi. It's $1 a piece.
It is.
You can hide it in
Hello, everyone. Hello. Can I zoom in on you? You barfed your food. I like that. She has hiccups, and it's really funny. I'm waiting for your hiccup.
It's not gonna come. You're putting too much pressure.
I missed it! I've been filming for like 5 minutes.
Well, you missed it.
Oh my god.
It's not my fault.
It's like I think of you in front of the camera.
Oh, you're wanted. My brother. He wasn't on like that.
Flag on you. That's where we're going after we finish the Korean barbecue because we want to go try on lingerie, but after we're fat because we ate. I don't know how to say that, okay? How do you pronounce that? Lingerie. And, but we want to do that after like we're fat from eating so much. It's for YouTube, okay?
I'm down.
She's down.
Yeah, check my skills, alright? I am like made for this shit. More or less.
You're kind of reminding me of my anime.
Oh, I have that.
You missed it again.
I'm gonna freak out, honestly.
So, my darling sweetheart Marissa, my love child, is going to try to attempt cooking. And we all know she's afraid of the flames, so let's see how this goes. You do it, Marissa.
I'm doing great.
No words.
You're good. You're good. Damn it! Damn it! I think I got like half her face when she got her hiccup. Good job. I'm very proud of you, my love.
Talent and that feels good. I should definitely do that.
Yes. Good job. Now hand that over and damn it! So for some insane reason, there's some competition going on with the other table.
Yeah.
They believe that like somehow they're eating more than us, but
I'm pretty sure we're going to get there.
Watch me, I'm vlogging and multitasking when I'm eating.
it's called We Just Eat Faster Than You Guys. You took forever to get your food.
Well, those two are full. These are full.
No. Huh?
Winnie's full.
I'm good. I'm happy with my current situation. So girls, how was it?
I'm really full.
But you have another stomach.
Yeah, and different stomach feels it. Weird. And it's a different stomach bubble tea.
There we go.
Your appendix is like big.
Wait, what?
Eli talking to Boo.
You want to make sure? I ordered 2 ice cream. That was my the size of
Do you have to clean or something tonight?
Alright, so we finally finished eating and we're going to go drink our bubble tea.
So bubble tea up next. Expensive because I did go down to like $5.
What the flip, really?
Yeah.
You want to take open single? Your 2 options is the size of
It's not like it doesn't cost too much.
I think it's around $5.
Okay, well.
Well, it depends what size you get. So now that we're done with our delicious Korean barbecue, we're going to go to chat time and have a drink. And somehow these kids are still talking about our stupid,
No, Luis's classes, you do whatever
our
you want.
classes that were already done for the semester. So guys, enough.
Then after that, you do whatever you want.
Enough. We're done. The semester's over. Shit, Phil. There's a loud people. Woohoo, chat time. So now we're heading into chat time. Oh, look at that. So festive. I love the smell of this place. Bubble tea time. So we're finally at the bubble tea place, and my love,
Like forever for these people.
my love got herself the delicious lemon. It just stopped. But yeah, she got herself lemon tapioca. What's that? Lemon juice tapioca. And I got my usual delicious roasted milk. You guys get your drink? What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get? Typical.
I got the typical taro milk tea. Milk bubble tea.
Good job.